Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to study about English. Okay, chapter 3, D part from the exercise. D part from the exercise. First, to complete the following sentence with the to infinitive. We have to complete with the to infinitive. It is too hot. It is too hot. How can we complete the sentence? Bola beta. It is too hot to sit under the tree. Under the tree. It is too hot to sit under the tree. To sit is a infinitive. To sit is a infinitive. Okay, infinitive. Okay, it is too hot to sit under the tree. That's all. No tension. Okay, one sentence we have to make. I make one sentence, isn't it? English is difficult subject to learn. English is difficult subject to learn. What is this? To learn is infinitive. To learn is infinitive. Okay, to learn is infinitive. So English is difficult subject to learn. To learn is infinitive. Then I complete with the infinitive. English is difficult subject to learn. So first one, it is too hot to sit under the tree. I am complete with one sentence. Okay. Next one is we went out. We went out to collect books from the school. To collect is a infinitive. To collect is a infinitive. Okay? To collect is a infinitive. We went out to collect books from the school. I wrote one sentence. Okay? Clear? The next one is the army marched forward to reach. The army marched forward to reach. Where? One sentence. Infinitive हो गया. Forward to reach. Near the sea. Near the military camp. Military camp office. The army marched forward to reach near the military camp office. I wrote one sentence. Okay, if you want, you can write any sentence. No problem. The boy ran to buy mangoes from his friend. Okay, the boy ran to buy mangoes from his friend. To buy is infinitive. Here, to reach is infinitive. Okay. Then sister one is it is difficult to talk with him. Talk with him. Talk is a infinitive. Okay. To talk is a infinitive. Then next one is I want to go Delhi. I wanted to go Delhi. To go is a infinitive. To go is a infinitive. The last one is the house is. This house is very old. Very difficult to sell. This house is very difficult to sell. To sell is a infinitive. Okay.